Welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make our jack-o'-lantern earrings. These cute little earrings feature little pumpkin charms, and then they're topped off with a Swarovski crystal bicone. So let's take a look at all the products and tools we'll need to make them. For this project, we will be using the 6mm Tangerine Swarovski crystal bicone beads. I have an 18mm antique silver pewter jack-o'-lantern charm by TierraCast. I have some 10mm silver French ear wires, and then I have a 2-inch 20-gauge sterling silver eye pin. For my tools, all we'll need today are chain nose, round nose, and some wire cutters. You can find links to all these beads and supplies in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so to make these quick and easy earrings, you're just going to want to take your eye pin, you're going to want to take your bicone, slide it down all the way to the loop. You want to make a 90-degree bend at the other end. You'll take your wire cutters. You're going to cut off the majority, just leaving enough to create a simple loop. You're going to grab your round nose, and then you're going to just turn that back into a simple loop. You might need to center it a little bit on the top of your bicone there. And mine's a little open, but that's okay because I'm going to be opening it anyway. To the side, I'm going to slide in my pumpkin charm. These are super cute. They're two-sided there, so they have a lot of detail. Then you're just going to go ahead and close that loop. And then we're ready to add our ear wire. So you're just going to want to open the loop to the side. And seeing how the loop that comes from the manufacturer on the eye pins won't fit over this, you're just going to want to slide it on through the back here. So you'll just slide it on this way, and then it should pop down, and there you go. And then you just go ahead and close your ear wire, and there you've got these really cute jack-o'-lantern earrings. And this is a quick and easy design that could really be switched out to any kind of charms. So thank you for checking out this video, and if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure to click the subscription button below.